The studio! And here for the big speech that will solve every problem ever, the King of the World!
I know. Looks like Scooter's got the hiccups.
Say no more, Peach. I've got a surefire cure that's full of surprises.
Who are you talking to?
Surprise! Hiccups all gone? Huh. Well, maybe you should get a drink from the water cooler. Surprise! Ugh, I give up.
Let me guess. You're McKenna and a cake too? Nope.
Surprise! Ugh. All right, boys, pack 'em up.
Scooter, I think you should dress as a lobster and juggle 16 pies.
How will this cure my hiccups?
You have hiccups?
Why don't we harness the power of your hiccups to take over the world? We did it! Ugh, we lost it.
Forget about those quack cures, Scooter! What you need is Missy's Hearty Healthy Hiccup Healing Health Smoothies! They even rotate!
Rotating platform not included.
No. Pick me. My idea's the best.
Surprises are the best.
The studio!
I have the solution. Just let me find a cake to hide in.
Enough! It's time to take charge! Thanks, everyone. Hey, my hiccups are gone!
Looks like you just had to take charge, Scooter. Muy bien.
There's only one thing left to do.
What's that?
Surprise!
And I'm the boss's boss.
What?
And I order you to feed 100 fish.
But that'll take minutes longer! Minutes! Peach, I want us to make 100 movies a day!
But Clyde, that's so much work.
So work hard! I work hard!
Yeesh. To make 100 movies, we'd need some sort of...
Magic movie-making machine? You put the actors in this end, it films a story in the middle, and movies pop out the other side. Watch.
Aww. Here's a new one? Hooray! I'm not gonna lie, Scooter. This is a pretty terrible movie.
True, but we made it so fast!
Agreed. Let's kick this thing into gear.
This town ain't big enough for the both of us.
Okay, I'll leave.
Hooray!
The world is saved! Hooray!
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 That's 50 movies done.
Only 50? I said 100, mister!
But we're all so tired.
And I'm tired of your excuses! Come back.
Clyde, you need to take a good look at yourself. And I know how.
I'm Mr. Boss, doing my one task for the day.
This guy I like.
And I'm the boss's boss.
What?
And I order you to feed 100 fish.
But that'll take minutes longer! Minutes!
See? It's not so fun being overworked.
This terrible movie really speaks to me. Everyone, it's time to pull the plug! And now to turn off the machine! McKenna, you ignored my orders!
Go. Ooh, my new comedy show is ready to go! It's bold, original.
Original? Listen, McKenna, I don't want to see any weird creativity out there. I want a plain, ordinary show, just like my favorite food, lettuce. No buts! I'm the head of this studio, and what I say goes.
Remember, the boss is coming over for dinner tonight.
And I'm early.
And I burned the nut roast.
You love it. Wait till they see what's coming next.
Why are we suddenly in a big city cafe? This is getting too weird.
Presenting my newest coffee creation, the McKenna Mochaccino.
This isn't coffee, it's mustard.
And this isn't a coffee shop, it's an office Christmas party! Cha-cha-cha!
What are you doing, McKenna? I said I wanted plain, ordinary lettuce TV.
Right, like a space hospital with...
No hospitals, nothing in space. Just set the whole thing in a lettuce. I mean office.
What's behind this door? It's... the photocopy room, just like the sign says.
Oh.
Just kidding! It's actually a secret hospital room in space! Your funny bone needs 2 cc's of custard pie.
McKenna, you ignored my orders.
Go.
And I couldn't be more thrilled! Your show is testing through the roof! What a great idea of mine to pack it with so many goofy ideas. Terrific!
This is so exciting! I love being out in nature with friends. The brisk air, the colorful leaves, and the apples. The juicy, juicy apples! But which apple is the juiciest of them all? The literal apple of my eye. Bling, 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 bling. Oh, you're even more magnificent up close. It was so worth climbing to the top of this tall, really tall. It's okay. It's okay. You can totally do this, Fiona. Ow! Who are you kidding? You absolutely cannot do this! Unless... Easy peasy. 'Cause balls bounce, right? Maybe if I... Ow. The third time's the charm. How do these work? It's okay. It's okay. I'll just live in this tree forever.
Huh? Hey, Fiona! What's wrong?
I'm stuck.
Not to worry, not to worry. When a cat gets stuck in a tree, you call a firefighter. Look out, folks. A firefighter coming through. See? That's how it's done. Help!
Hold on, Wilbur. I'll help you. Don't worry, Wilbur. I'm coming.
Spider! Now I'm really worried. And that is how it's done. Step aside, hero coming through. Seriously?
Oh, this is so exciting. I love being out in nature with friends. The fresh air, the colorful flowers.
Oh, my allergies, Fiona.
Wilbur, look! The spring fair is just down the hill!
But, Carlo, the apples, the juicy, juicy apples.
Apples, too much sugar. Clones are the smart choice.
Ew! Look at that apple. The literal apple of my eye.
Woo! You can do it, Fiona!
Oh!
Oh, no! The apples are coming! The apples are coming!
Run away, apples!
Carlo, slingshot!
I'm safe! You're safe.
Isn't the spring fair down that hill?
I can almost taste the apples!
Carlo, we've got to slow down those apples, or the spring fair will be wrecked.
You got it, Wilbur.
If I can factor in air density times wind velocity, I can safely steal the apple away.
Wind? I can help!
My apple is gonna crash into the cotton candy machine!
We have to stop that apple.
Carlo, let's give it everything we got!
I'll be right there, Wilbur! It's coming!
No! Ah! This is all my fault. I just love apples so much.
That's a real breakthrough, Fiona. Now please eat the apple cotton candy whirlwind!
Oh man, I can't believe it! We're so Anyone for seconds?